Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinewon Violet. I'm a registered nurse and also an entrepreneur. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you've been looking for a way to get started with affiliate marketing and you don't know how to go about it, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get started with becoming an affiliate marketer. All right, so if this is what interests you, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Hit that notification bell beside it so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified by YouTube. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into this video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Now, to get started with affiliate marketing, there are 3 easy steps you need to follow. The first step is to find a company or a brand that offers affiliate program. Okay, now there are tons of program out there, tons of affiliate program or company that offers affiliate program. We have Amazon, we have eBay, we have Clickbank, we have Sephora, we have lots of them out there. So you just have to use Google, search for the company you're looking for, and sign up with them and get their products, get the link, and start promoting their products and start making sales and making your commission. All right, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Amazon and Clickbank just to show you guys how you can actually get started with affiliate marketing. So if you want to start up with Amazon, you want to join the Amazon Associates, or you want to join the Clickbank affiliate marketing program, you can watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Okay, so for Amazon Associates, to join the Amazon affiliate program, you need to go to amazon.com. Okay, create an account with Amazon. Create an account with Amazon. Let me use this. Let me show you guys. Okay, come to Amazon. So I already have an account with Amazon. Okay, you can see this is Amazon Associates. So this is actually the affiliate program. All right. So, but if you don't have the if you've not joined, you want to join the affiliate program. All right. So what you need to do, once you click on Amazon.com, all right, you go down the page and you'll find this: make money with us. Make money with us. So you just want to click on become an affiliate. When you click on become an affiliate, it will automatically take you to Amazon Associates, where you have to create your account and sign up. So once you sign up, it will just you're good to go. So this page will pump up. Okay, you will see here your name will be here, and you can find Amazon Associates on the page. Okay, once you sign up with Amazon Associates. So what you need to do now is to find, next step is to find the products. Okay, once you sign up with Amazon Associates, is to find the product. So let's say you can choose any product, you can choose any niche, okay, and promote. You can promote as many products as you can. All right. So what you need to do is to find a product. All right, find a product you feel like, okay, maybe this product might sell. People will definitely buy this product. It's valuable, it's useful. You might want to promote a product and to get sales and get your commission. So you can promote books, you can promote electronics, you can promote fitness, health and personal care, household detergents and all that. You can promote the computer and accessories. You can promote all these products. So what you need to do, you can come here and type in, maybe I want to go into furniture and polish. I can click on that, and then I want to promote this product. I'll click on this product. So what I excuse me. So what I need to do now is to come to this particular place. They said test. Okay, click on test because I want to get the affiliate link. So I click on test. So you can see this is my ID, this is my store ID, this is my tracking ID. So I can just click on, this is my affiliate link. Okay, this is the link I need to share to people to order this product so I can get my commission. So I'll copy this link. Okay, this is the short link. If you want the long link, which is not, I don't advise you to get long because it's so messy. Okay, preferably go for the short link. So you copy this link. Okay, copy it and you can paste it on your social media and start promoting. Okay, and start promoting the link. So anyone that clicks on this link and orders this product, you get paid 10 commission. All right. So that is how you promote product. That is how you join affiliate program on Amazon. Now let's get to Clickbank. If you have a Clickbank account, all you need to do is to sign up. But if you don't have a Clickbank account, you need to register. Okay, you click here, click, okay, create an account here. So you click here to create an account. Okay, when you click here to create an account, you see sign up. It's 100% free to join, so you don't have to pay anything. So you just put in your details, okay, depending on the country you are. I think you can, if you live in Nigeria and North Korea or South Korea, you cannot sign up. You can't join Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank is not in Nigeria and is not in I think in North Korea or South Korea. Okay, it's not in these two countries. So, but if you're in any other country, you can actually sign up with Clickbank and start promoting their product. Clickbank is one of the top most affiliate marketing network. Okay, and this company has been existing for 21 years, so it's a reliable company. All right, so what you need to do is to sign up, fill up the form, okay, and then create your account. Okay, accept the terms and condition and create your account. So once you create your account, you're going to come to your dashboard, and then in your dashboard you find the marketplace, you find the category. All right, you find a category. Let me take you guys back. All right, so these are the categories. Okay, when you come to your dashboard, these are the categories. All right, we have different niches. We have travel, we have sports, we have spirituality, we have software and services, we have self-help, we have references, politics, mobile language, home and garden, health and fitness, green products, game, fiction. So it depends on your niche. Okay, so this actually, you can promote as many products as you can on Clickbank. Right, so you just choose your niche and promote them. So let's say we want to go into let me choose health and fitness, for example. Okay, and then this is Espedua. Espedua is one of the Clickbank products. This one is, I think, is for weight loss. Yeah, this is like weight loss products. Yeah, supplements. So you can actually, when you promote these products, okay, you earn, this is, and you have sales, this is amount of money you're going to earn, $148.73. Okay, when you promote this product. So how do you promote this? Maybe you want to promote this product on your social media, you want to, promote this product. So what you need to do, you can see 786 people actually, promoting this product. This is the gravity score. It shows that 786 people are actually promoting this product right now. All right, so when you join this affiliate program, you start promoting this niche, this product. All right, when you have sales, you're going to earn this amount. So how do you promote this? What you need to do is to come here, affiliate page, click on it. Now you have to make sure you go through the products, okay, the informations on the product, the commission, how much you're going to get paid for each sale, and their rules and regulations. They have rules and regulations where you need to promote your products and where you don't need to promote your products. Okay, and you can see you earn commission, earn 85%. Wow, 85% is what you're going to earn. All right, from each sales. And then for earnings per click, you get $3 to $5.50. Okay, then for conversion, get insane conversion, all traffic. So these are all your benefits, guys. These are your benefits. All right, so now what you need to do after once you're done going through all these steps, okay, you read through. So you need to put in, to get your affiliate link. Okay, you can put in your affiliate link right here. All right, or what I normally do, I'll just come here and I'll just click on promote. When you click on promote, you can put in your nickname ID. You create this, you create this. Once you're creating your Clickbank account, okay, they'll ask you for a nickname. All right, in order for you to be able to generate your link, your affiliate link. So what you need to do is to put in your nickname. Let's say a nickname is this is my nickname. Okay, so tracking ID is optional. So what I need to do is to click on generate. So you can see this is my affiliate link. Okay, this is my affiliate link. So I have to promote this link on my social media, promote it on anywhere, on any social media platform. So anyone that clicks on this product, on this link, okay, and orders that product, I will get paid. Okay, Clickbank will pay in $148.73 into my account. Okay, so that is how you make money through Clickbank affiliate marketing program. So guys, now you know how to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll be so pleased to answer your question. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.